Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make spinach in coconut milk. So let's get started.
I've got here 500 grams of fresh spinach which I have cleaned and rinsed, or you can use 2 packets of frozen spinach, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 chili which I have chopped, salt to taste, 4 cloves of grated garlic and 1 medium onion which I have chopped. Place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add onions and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add garlic, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add spinach, put a lid on and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix, add half a teaspoon of salt and mix it again. Put a lid on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add coconut milk, give it a mix and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix and taste your salt. It just needs a little bit more salt, so I'm just adding half a teaspoon of salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Fiji style spinach in coconut milk is ready, and you can serve it on its own or with roti, rice or toast. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.